David Wortman, co-founder and CEO of Lumos Global. 85% of the people in the emerging markets have a phone, but less than 20% have access to stable power. Lumos brings electricity completely self-contained to the 1.3 billion people on the planet that have no access to grid power, and they pay using their mobile phone. The system consists of a solar panel, which is about 60 by 18 centimeters, and a box that weighs about 6 or 7 kilos, so you can carry it on a bike. Our solution is 20 times cheaper than running a generator, and we allow any mobile operator to integrate with our system, taking this to families and small businesses, any customer who has a mobile phone. We are the #1 player in West Africa today. In just 3 years, we grew from 0 to 100,000 installation, serving 500,000 people. Within 10 years, we can grow this to 100 million people.